Alright guys, so I got this little doohickey thing off of Amazon. This is what it looks like. Do you know what it is? If you don't, I'm about to show you. First things first is we gotta pop the trunk. Have you guessed it yet? I know my trunk's a little bit messy, so don't look at that. But this is going on in the trunk, and it's pretty cool. If you have a Model 3, there's actually a bolt that sticks out right here. For what reason? Don't ask me. But we're gonna make use of it. So this actually has threads that goes onto the bolt, and it has hooks so you can attach like anything that you might need. I'm thinking grocery bags so they don't move around, or food bags. That's a pretty good one. If you're going on trips, you could do backpacks or like sweaters or anything really. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's a bird up there. It's like yeah, it's over there. It's not my fault. I live in a nature preserve, okay? So you might hear some birds. Cool, so we have our little hook right here. It just has some metal threads, and then it's just plastic around the edges. The edges are a little bit leveled, and it has this little curve on the side so that everything is held in pretty nicely to this, even if your car moves around. But it just spins right on. That's sick. Boom. That's solid. In all honesty, I've tried 3D printing one of these, and they just don't work because the threads are plastic, right? And over time, the plastic against the metal and like putting stuff on there aggressively, it breaks. But now that has metal threads, and this is not that expensive, it's just gonna sit there and it won't break, which is awesome. Yeah guys, so now you have a whole hook right here. This is really sick. So if you want to, like, I don't know, if you want to hang a t-shirt up to dry, just throw it over, have it sit like this. It's pretty awesome. And you could totally imagine doing this with like bags or something. So yeah, let me know guys, would you get this hook? Do you have a use for it? Honestly, I don't do grocery runs a lot. I'm doing more of like trips and camping. So I don't know if I'll use it that much, but for the price it's at, which again is like pretty inexpensive, just having this as an option, pretty nice, because I'm sure I will use it. And when I do use it, I'll be like, it's nice that I bought this. All right, let me know, would you get this? Are you gonna get this? And as always, have a good rest of your day.